in the beginning, God said, "Let there be," and all that we see came into reality. Even that which is unseen came into being, all because He spoke it to be. Even now, He sustains all things by His powerful word. He is active, not absent. He is attentive, not estranged, affectionate, and not apathetic. He saw our great need, and just like a seed dies, so He... But I get ahead of myself. It started in a garden, a perfect paradise lost, where Eve didn't count the cost of eating the fruit while Adam was mute. It was in a garden that the curse came on all men, and God said, "I will cause hostility between you and the enemy. That serpent will strike his heel, but he will crush its head." It was in a garden that access to the tree of life was taken away, banished, exiled, sentenced to separation. This is no cliche. We carry the weight of our condemnation. It was in a garden where Jesus prayed, "Father, take this cup from me," and He began to bleed, "Yet not what I will, but what you will." It was in a garden. He was betrayed by a kiss from a friend, worse than being struck by a fist. Could this be the end? It was in a garden. The one who came to set captives free was placed in chains, arrested by His love for me. King of Kings is His name. He was tried, convicted, sentenced, crucified, executed. It was in a garden. The author of life lay slain. The word from the beginning now silent. The light of the world snuffed out. It was in a garden. In the cool of the morning, Mary waited for the sun to rise. But He had already risen. It was in a garden, in Joseph's tomb, where the curse was broken. Death could not stop Him. Hell could not beat Him. The grave could not hold Him. It was in a garden where death started and where death was defeated. Where, O death, is your victory? Where, O death, is your sting? And it will be in a garden where access will be restored, where sickness will be healed, where fear